Hi, so I welcome you. I welcome Mr. Bharat Sapat, who's the business head, project sales, and Mr. Vasant Pujari, uh, zonal head, retail sales. And we now would be hearing their views on various products which they have experienced and which they have explained to a lot of architectural fraternity. So I would be asking questions from Mr. Bharat Sapat that what is your views on the experiences which you have had with a lot of architectural and fabricator community, the industry stakeholders of facade industry on the recently launched Mad Genie AI.
Matt Genie was very much appreciated by the entire industry, not only by the specifier, even by the competitors also. Those who came, they have, we have set a tone at a different layer. It's a very out of the box thinking and a very progressive thinking. Ki how LU Decor is thinking about educating. So means even if a like a architecture college, you ask them to download this, lot of information is available for the students, for the applicators, for the architects. So I think it is a mind blowing initiative by the club.
So your one line message to all the Eludicorians on Mad Genie.
My one line message to the entire team is please, please, please promote to download the app to whoever you meet. That is the only right now message for Magic. It should be on every mobile because it is a tool which is going to help. So we as Eludecorians should ensure whoever we go and meet, we ensure that that app is present in their mobile and people start using it.
So Vasanji, what is your take on Mad Genie being a very helpful AI assistant to the fabricators community? Because you have dealt with a lot of fabricators, you are meeting them day in, day out. So your take on when you have had a discussion with them about the Mad Genie.
First, I would like to congratulate each and every Eludecorian who has participated in this event, especially marketing team. Wonderful uh, ideas of how product display has been done, and the footfall shows it has been done great, and the appreciation which has been we are receiving from all kind of clienteles is tremendous, and they are feeling they are connecting with Eludecor as their own company, and the setup, the new innovations what we are showing them is great thing, and Matt Genie is one of them, and I think the fabricators whom I have and my team has interacted with, they were anticipating only just a product, but we are giving them a entire solution. So at an instant, they have seen the barcode, they have downloaded it, and the response is tremendous. Like it's not only related to Elideco, they are getting information about the industry itself. So it's whole lot of information in one pocket in your mobile itself. So the response is tremendous, right from a very small fabricator to the very top end. So they are liking it, and I think it's a gift given by Eludecor, our CMD sir, to the industry itself, and the tremendous response what we are getting from the fabricator is overwhelming.
Yeah.
I think it's a great thing what Eludecor has brought in, and I think the fruits will be tremendous what we will encash.
Bharaji, your take on the 3D logos which has been launched by Aludecor in Honeycomb, and what is your take on when you have had a discussion with a lot of facade consultants, what was their first impression by seeing these 3D logos?
Many of the clients which I attended, they entered our stall looking at this Luan. What is this?
Okay.
So they could they got attracted towards that product, and lot of them came on this. So when I took the feedbacks from consultants and architects, so they were amazed to see that it's such a lightweight product and it has so much of versatility, and they were also really uh, they are looking forward to get this thing incorporated in their projects. They are saying that this is something unimaginable. What Honeyco can also do to the facade, or maybe we can use it somewhere in interior also.
Yes,
They are now ready to experiment. Okay, yeah, even you have shown the curved designs, even we have shown the partitions of how honeycomb panels can be used. Just a hairline, this is visible, and it is such a fantastic thing. So that the way which we showed, we have displayed it, they got the ideas, and I mean they are now looking forward. Ki this is one product which should get, which is a fire rated product. So every consultant was very attracted. Yes, this is automatically qualifies into FRA2 product. So we will start now building this in our BOQs also.
Okay.
That was very positive.
Your views on Metal Dhara ICP louvers, which the fabricators community must have seen and must have been mesmerized, as well as the new series which we have launched recently, like the Mason Mark of the world, or the Granitia of the world, or the Earth Code of the world, which people have been seeing and people have been appreciating. So your two-line message to the team on what was their first impression by seeing new series and the Metal Dhara ICP louvers?
Fortunately, Zach is the correct timing when we launched our series. So fabricators were knowing the fluted lures with us, but the new variants into that and the fin lures, especially fin lures, the fabricators are liking it. So earlier there were limited options, and they were going for aluminum coating kind of a thing, which had its own limitations. So now with our recipe-based lures, the tremendous possibilities they can explore, and the warranty or the confidence that fabricators can deliver with this product is mind blowing. And these people are anyways they are attached to Aludecor name, and with such long series of product range, so the confidence of fabricators have tremendously boosted. And they are they will be our brand ambassador to take this lures to each and every client. And I think the response what I'm getting is they own this product, and they will take it to more and more clients. And I think the feedback what we are getting is the in next few months we'll be getting more and more such kind of orders and inquiries from the market. And with Zach in place, I think that will enhance the whole scenario of new launch and the new range and everything.
And
Yes.
that's the beauty about it is lot of clients are coming asking what is the product shade code for this
Okay.
Granitia.
Okay.
A lot of architect. Just when we were finishing today's event, when we were winding it up, one lady architect came down and she just asked me what is the product code for Mason Mark.
Very nice.
She came in the afternoon.
The
Okay.
one
She
loud
yeah.
honeycomb shade,
Ah.
what we have applied, she liked so much. I want this shade only for my project. And she told I have visited entire stall of Zach and I could find only this shade in your stall.
Oh,
So I think that was a very big compliment
great.
for
So
us.
that's a good
in the
big
afternoon,
compliment for our factory R&D team as well.
Yes,
We
definitely.
were, it was really a moment for us. Ki the plant team, what they have, R&D team, what they have, it was someone's idea and we have delivered it.
A client once visited a stall, roamed around entire Zach, and came back to finalize the shape.
Yeah.
That's the backbone of our plant team, R&D, and everybody, every allied Aquarian here has contributed to that. I think this kind of response is tremendous for new series.
See, I think it was amazing, and the Eludecor Elubreeze with motorized system
Yes. Yes.
was the.
I was about to
cherry
ask
on
that
the-
only.
Cherry
Yeah.
on the cake.
Okay.
It was the cherry on the cake, and I mean, everybody was so happy or so overwhelmed when it's such a beautiful functional product. Elubreeze. So many questions were asked to us. Ki what, how, if we like specify if we want to suggest this to our client, what should we do? So we explained them that this is a functional product. So when the sunlight comes into your glass facade, This is a beautiful product which can even help you to save energy.
Yes. Your HVAC bills would come down
Would
automatically,
come
and it would be a very huge percentage, not even 1 or 2%.
So we even got the question right, why don't you plan this
Yes,
sensor based?
yes, yes.
According to the sunlight, why don't we plan it automatically?
So there are a lot of,
There
you
There are
know,
many possibilities.
yes,
What
possibilities.
client is exploring.
Alubris was also one of the product I think which got the highest footfall of questions.
Oh.
What footfall we got? The highest questions we got was of how what is your use is, what material is it made upon, how it is made, and they were even amazed when we told we are the only company in India today to have this roller coated product in our book, and nobody has it. So like Grenasia is also the only we have this product. So I think all these products are we are going to get a lot of work to do after this event.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Follow up with those clients and get those things closed.
Good.
It has changed the Aludecor image of just an ACP company to a solution
Yeah,
providing
Best company.
uh,
Yes.
company with
And-
so much of range and new series and especially Alud.
Right. And what were your experience with, the fire safety when it comes to, beating the fire? Because a lot of lives are being lost due to maybe non-FR grade ACPs being used or non-FR grade materials being used. So our movement of beat the fire. So has it got, some voice in terms of from the architectural fraternity or the facade consultant or even the dealers and the fabricators community?
Consultants are now absolutely very clear. He don't after seeing your ad and after seeing the way in which you have promoted this product of firewall, so they have stopped writing LDP word in their specifications.
Oh, that's a great
That is the
insight.
biggest achievement for us. And
Yes.
I clearly remember when CMD sir was in Mumbai to launch FRA2 product. I had questioning, sir, why do you think this product is going to work in India? People are so conscious, but he had told me at that time, you have to educate them. We have to make them educate and make them understand how it is going to save so many of lives with just a little bit of extra money what they are doing.
True that.
Today I could see after so many years ki already they are
They are
accepted
sensitized
by
level.
the consultant
Yes,
fraternity, and now even the architects are discussing it is such a safe product.
Good. Very nice.
So I think we have done that. Aludecor has taken
Absolutely.
that challenge to educate, and that we could see in the specifiers. That was a very positive thing.
Yeah, you got one fabricator from Ahmedabad who has been associated with us since 20 years. And he came and saw the pour of fire products D, B1, A2. So he himself told ki why fabricators should not promote this product on. Why to risk life and all those things. So that's a great feedback from a fabricator
True that.
Yes.
True that.
long associated with us. Well, that's the response from the dealers, the fabricators, that's overwhelming. And I think people are liking it. When we explain them that we are the manufacturers of the base raw material itself. And
Core,
then
the
final-
FR core.
the
Yes. Yes.
Final product. So that's like, that's very encouraging for the dealers and the family.
Very good. So team must be, they'll be very privileged to hear your views, which you have narrated to them directly from the horse's mouth, and that's a good views. And I believe that with this, we can also start sensitizing the internal team as well and the whole architectural fraternity or the fabricator community on the beat the fire. So let's say in unison, we should say that beat the fire.
Beat the fire.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your views.